Wealth isn't just about the money you earn, it's about the habits you cultivate. Good habits can propel you toward riches, while bad habits can lead to financial ruin. What if I told you that 80% of your results come from just 20% of your efforts? Billionaires like Warren Buffett and Jeff Bezos use this secret to get rich while working less. And the best part? You can start today. Good habits build fortune, amplify your wealth, and enhance your skills, making you more valuable in the job market. They open doors to opportunities, while a positive mindset attracts positive outcomes. On the flip side, bad habits act as roadblocks. They can sabotage financial goals and lead to debt. Procrastination can hinder progress, delaying essential financial decisions or investments. Here at Valenor, we teach you how to become the best version of yourself and how to overcome the unseen problems in life. Let's dive into the facts and learn to follow these good habits that every wealthy person follows, and you can do the same. Pay yourself first. Paying yourself first is a powerful financial strategy that prioritizes your savings. This approach encourages individuals to set aside money for themselves before addressing any other expenses. Wealthy individuals follow this continuously. By doing this, the rich create a solid foundation for their financial future. This practice not only builds savings but also reduces the temptation to spend impulsively. First, determine a fixed percentage or amount to save from each paycheck. Many experts recommend starting with 20% of your income. Next, set up an automatic transfer to your savings or investment account. This automation simplifies the process, making it easier to stick to your plan. Paying yourself first is a transformative habit. It empowers you to prioritize your financial health and fosters a wealth-building mindset. And you can take control of your finances and pave the way for long-term success. Start today. Your future self will thank you. They wake up early. Waking up early is a habit shared by many successful individuals. This practice can significantly impact your productivity, mindset, and overall well-being. Early mornings provide quiet time, often free from distractions. This tranquility allows for focused work, reflection, or planning, setting a positive tone for the day ahead. Those extra hours can greatly enhance your productivity, enabling you to accomplish tasks before the world awakens, which often leads to a sense of achievement. By embracing the calm hours of the morning, you can lay the groundwork for success. Start implementing this practice today and experience the positive changes it brings to your life. Your future self will thank you. They read and educate themselves. Wealthy individuals often share a common trait. They prioritize reading and learning. This commitment to continuous education is crucial to their success. In an ever-changing world, knowledge is power. Ongoing learning allows individuals to adapt to new trends, technologies, and market dynamics. Rich individuals recognize that staying informed is essential for making sound decisions and seizing opportunities. Reading exposes them to diverse ideas, cultures, and experiences, which fosters creativity and innovation. This enables wealthy individuals to think outside the box and develop unique solutions. By valuing continuous learning and reading, they equip themselves with the tools needed for success. Make reading a regular part of your daily routine, whether through books, articles, or industry reports. Dedicating time each day to read will expand your knowledge base. Start your journey of learning today and witness how it transforms your life. The power of not splurging. In a world filled with temptations, resisting the urge to splurge is a hallmark of financial wisdom. Those who avoid unnecessary spending often find themselves in a stronger financial position. Splurging refers to impulsive and extravagant spending on non-essential items. Rich people always think twice before spending. They track every dollar they spend and measure its impact on their final goal. While spending occasionally is perfectly fine, frequent splurging can lead to financial strain. Embracing financial health and avoiding frequent splurging is a crucial aspect of fostering financial well-being. Remember, true wealth comes from the ability to manage your resources wisely. Embrace this mindset and watch your financial health flourish, like it does with rich people. Choose the mentor. Selecting a mentor can be a transformative step in your personal and financial journey. Rich people often choose a mentor who provides guidance, support, and insights that can significantly influence their success. They offer invaluable experience and knowledge, having often faced challenges similar to those you may encounter. Their first-hand insights can help you avoid common pitfalls and make informed decisions. Additionally, mentors can introduce you to valuable networks, opening doors to new opportunities. This relationship encourages you to push beyond your limits and strive for excellence. Investing in your future by selecting the right mentor and nurturing that relationship, you pave the way for success. So take the initiative and seek out a mentor today. Your future self will be grateful. Taking calculated risks. In the pursuit of wealth and success, taking calculated risks is essential. Unlike reckless gambling, calculated risks involve thoughtful decision-making and informed judgment. Rich people always take risks, as these risks are decisions made after careful consideration of potential outcomes and consequences. This approach requires assessing the pros and cons, analyzing data, and weighing options. By doing so, you can also make informed choices that align with your goals. Taking risks can lead to significant rewards. Many successful entrepreneurs and investors attribute their achievements to their willingness to step outside their comfort zones. They recognize that without risk, there is often little chance for growth or innovation. Embracing opportunities by taking calculated risks is vital for achieving financial success. Remember, every risk carries the potential for reward, so step boldly into the unknown and allow calculated risks to pave your path to wealth. Avoid toxic debt. Avoiding debt is more critical than ever. Debt can severely impact your financial health, limiting your options and creating stress. It can take many forms, from credit card balances to student loans. While some debt, such as a mortgage, may be unavoidable, unnecessary debt can lead to financial turmoil. This drains your resources and restricts your financial freedom. Living without debt offers advantages. It provides peace of mind. Without the burden of monthly payments, you can focus your funds on savings and investments. Embracing financial health means that avoiding debt is essential for achieving financial freedom. Embrace a debt-free lifestyle and enjoy the benefits of financial independence and peace of mind. Rich people always follow this step so that they never lose their wealth, even in crises or unforeseen circumstances. So start your journey today itself. They have emergency funds. Emergency funds are a financial safety net that everyone should have in place. These funds provide peace of mind and protection against unexpected expenses. An emergency fund is a savings account set aside intentionally for unforeseen circumstances, such as medical emergencies, car repairs, or job loss. The key is that these funds are not intended for everyday expenses, but rather for true emergencies. Experts recommend saving 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This amount provides a sufficient buffer to cover essential costs during financial setbacks. This financial cushion reduces stress during unexpected situations, as you won't need to rely on credit cards or loans, which can lead to debt. An emergency fund is a crucial component of financial stability. By prioritizing this fund, you create a secure foundation for your financial future. Start building your emergency fund today and enjoy the peace of mind it brings. Success often breeds success. Therefore, spending time with successful individuals can yield remarkable benefits. Surrounding yourself with accomplished people inspires growth and creates opportunities. Spending time with successful individuals transforms your life. They motivate you, expand your network, you build valuable relationships, and enrich your perspective. Connecting with successful people opens new doors to access resources, knowledge, tools, and experiences. Therefore, seek out these individuals, embrace their knowledge, and flourish in their presence. Ultimately, this practice can lead you to unparalleled success. Developing multiple income streams is a hallmark of financially savvy individuals. This strategy not only enhances financial security, but also accelerates wealth accumulation. Multiple income streams refer to earning money from various sources rather than relying solely on a single paycheck. These sources include side jobs, investments, freelance work, or passive income from assets. This diversification reduces financial risk and increases your overall earning potential. Multiple income streams also provide a safety net. If one source of income diminishes, others can help maintain your financial stability. Establishing multiple income streams is a powerful strategy for building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Start exploring side hustles today and take charge of your financial future. Your journey to financial independence begins now. Investing wisely is one of the most critical habits of financially successful individuals. It involves making informed decisions that maximize returns while minimizing risks. Wise investing means strategically selecting assets that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. This process requires research, patience, and the ability to analyze market trends. Successful investors understand that investing is not merely about making quick profits. It's about building wealth over the long term. Wise investing serves as a cornerstone of financial success. You can build and preserve your wealth over time by making informed decisions and adopting a strategic approach. Remember, the earlier you invest wisely, the more time your money has to grow. Begin your investment journey today and empower your financial future. Setting clear goals is a fundamental habit of successful individuals. Goals provide direction, motivation, and a sense of purpose. Clear goals serve as a roadmap, outlining what you want to achieve and providing a framework for your actions. Without clear goals, it's easy to drift aimlessly and make little progress in your personal or professional life. Furthermore, setting specific goals enhances motivation. When you have a clear target, you are more likely to stay focused and committed. Goals act as a source of inspiration. They help you prioritize your time and resources, allow you to track your progress, and streamline the decision-making process. Clearly define what you want to achieve. Instead of saying, "I want to get fit," specify, "I will exercise for 30 minutes 5 times a week." Start setting your goals today and pave the way for a fulfilling and successful future. Remember, your journey begins with clarity and intention. Avoiding toxic people is a crucial step toward maintaining a healthy and productive life. Toxic relationships or friendships can drain your energy, undermine your confidence, and hinder your success. Such individuals often exhibit negative behaviors that can affect your well-being. They may be overly critical, manipulative, or excessively negative. Interacting with them can lead to stress, anxiety, and feelings of inadequacy. Recognizing these traits is the first step toward protecting your mental health. Being around toxic people can erode your confidence and hold you back from pursuing your goals while elevating stress levels. Therefore, avoiding toxic individuals is vital for personal growth and overall well-being. Focus on building relationships that inspire and uplift you, as your happiness and success depend on the company you keep. Embrace this mindset and watch your life transform for the better. Someday thinking encourages procrastination. It can be a significant barrier to achieving your dreams and goals. Many people fall into this trap of believing they will pursue their aspirations later. The someday mindset involves postponing actions and decisions. While it's natural to feel uncertain about timing, relying on someday can lead to missed opportunities. Life is unpredictable, and waiting for the perfect moment may keep you stuck in place. Wealthy individuals overcome this by applying simple steps that help them to gain success and make good decisions for a better future. Check out our short video on Stop Saying, "I will do it someday." Ditching the someday thinking is essential for personal and professional growth. Don't let the opportunity to pursue your dreams slip away. Start today, embrace action, and create the future you desire. Stop making excuses. One of the most significant obstacles to achieving success is the tendency to make excuses. Wealthy individuals and high achievers understand that excuses hinder progress and prevent them from reaching their goals. Excuses often serve as barriers, providing a false sense of comfort that allows people to justify inaction. However, this behavior can lead to stagnation and missed opportunities. When you continually rationalize your setbacks, you reinforce negative self-beliefs. This cycle of self-doubt can prevent you from taking risks or pursuing new ventures, and making excuses can erode your self-confidence. Stopping the habit of making excuses is crucial for unlocking your full potential. Stop making excuses and watch how it transforms your life. Your journey toward achieving your dreams starts with a simple choice: to stop making excuses and take action today. They don't follow the herd. Wealthy individuals never follow the herd. Those who think independently tend to carve out unique paths and achieve remarkable results. Herd mentality refers to the tendency of individuals to be in the comfort zone, attitudes, and beliefs of a larger group. It often stops creativity and innovation. When everyone follows the same path, opportunities for personal growth and unique solutions are lost. Following the crowd can narrow your perspective and prevent you from exploring new ideas or considering alternative approaches. Not following the herd is vital for achieving success and fulfillment. By embracing your individuality, you can unlock creativity, build authentic connections, and seize opportunities that align with your values. Don't be afraid to forge your path. Embrace independent thinking and let your unique journey lead you to greatness. Practice gratitude. Wealthy individuals often consider gratitude a fundamental aspect of their success. This powerful mindset not only enhances personal well-being, but also fosters a positive outlook on life. Gratitude involves recognizing and appreciating the positive aspects of your life. This shift in perspective can lead to profound changes in your mindset and overall happiness. Sleeping at least 7 hours of sleep each night also changes your mindset and encourages the gratitude power. Practicing gratitude is associated with improved mental health, as it reduces feelings of stress, anxiety, and depression, allowing individuals to approach challenges with a clearer mind. This valuable habit is embraced by wealthy individuals for personal growth and success. Start incorporating gratitude into your daily routine and observe how it transforms your mindset and your life. Remember, a grateful heart paves the way for a prosperous future. Which habit will you start today? Drop a comment below. I'll reply to the best ones. And if you found this useful, smash that like button and subscribe for more wealth-building secrets. See you in the next video.